do want to make a bag, so I'm going to I have zero talent, but I really want to make a bag, so I'm going to I guess I actually just threaded the needle in like 2 attempts. I'm so happy. I think I'm gonna start a timer because I'm pretty sure this has been like 20 minutes, so this might take me the rest of my life. Okay, I'm this far and it took me 17 minutes. Let's keep on going. Guys, I did the whole of this half and I literally could not be bothered to rethread a needle and then like cut it early. So I'm just going to trim the edge of the bag. But I kind of left it a bit late, so I'm a bit stuffed there. But now I know for this side I need to do bigger seam allowance and I need to trim this so it's even. Okay, I'm going to cut along this line. 52 minutes in and I'm here. I'm going to tie this and start a new one. Guys, what the flip, I'm actually so impressed, especially seeing as I'm literally skillless. And my plan now is to crochet my handle and I'm going to sort out this seam bit later on a machine because I think that would be a good machine job.